Well, good morning. It is Saturday morning, about 4:15 in the a.m. on October 26th, 2024. We been trying to get things set up for some money into a account, and it's fighting me. I don't know why. I guess I'm going to have to try to call them next week. I don't know. They may be open on the weekend. I might try later today. But yeah, always so much fun having to fight to move money between one place and another. And I don't know what's causing the problem. So I don't know if it's this end or that end or somewhere in between. Oh well, it's okay. I went ahead and I got something took care of a different way, and got some money over there. And well, trying to get funds into place to maybe buy that plane ticket in the peso. I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, all the fun stuff involved in trying to get that took care of. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. Some people want to leave comments throwing names around. Sorry for you. Anyway, life's too short to waste time doing wasteful energy, and that's all that is. Anyway, yeah. I had, like, from noon until I woke up, like 10 phone calls, and not a one of them was something that should have got to me. Scam calls. And my phone's calling it scam call, scam call, scam call. Yeah. And people wonder why I leave my phone off. That's why I got a second one, because, oh yeah, it's not associated with all that stupidity. Problem is, it's associated with everything, including the stupidity. This happens when you've had a phone for over 20 years. Yeah. Sometimes you just get to deal with the insanity of a lot of people knowing how to get in touch with you. Especially when it's a bunch of scammers. And what's worse is they call it, trying to do proper business. Yeah. Needless to say, I wish I could invest in that app, reach out and choke somebody. Yeah, I would invest in it. Hell, I'd probably be willing to go for a subscription on that one. Just saying. Seems like there's a lot of folks out there that want to use the phone to pry into your business and con you in and out of things. It's got to the point, I think I answered 1 out of the 10, because it happened to be right there, and I just grabbed it, and it was ringing real soft, and I turned it on and could barely hear, and I didn't really look at it good, but when I got hung up on it, then I get to see, oh yeah, scam call. Otherwise, I wouldn't even have answered it. I probably shouldn't have just grabbed it so fast. I need to start paying attention to what's there first. It is what it is. But yeah, there's a lot of that going on right now. Between the politicians flooding places with commercials. Yeah. What gets me is they actually think Texas is going blue this year. Yeah, idiots. No, Texas is Texas. Needless to say, I wish Texas wasn't stuck with this mess, and I really wish we just walked away again. Because we don't need this mess. They need us, because, hey, everybody needs to be able to, suck the life out of something, right? And yeah, sadly, that's what the federal government does to Texas. I'm tired of it. I really do wish we weren't here. But there's not enough people that think like I do to decide to do that. I can hope. Yeah. Anyway, trying to get that video out, and again, I'm trying to figure out how to make it work. I think I need an HDMI cable so it will stream to the computer and work that way. We'll see. It is what it is. But yes, I did manage to go through and get a few things taken care of. And I think I'm ready to get rid of 3 or 4 old laptops. I'm gonna erase them, and I've got one of them done, one in the process, and I'll do another one probably tomorrow. Not really erasing it, just rebooting it and going back to factory settings. Well, one of them I will be erasing it and reinstalling. But that's never a problem with Linux. It's one of the things I like about Linux. Plug a cable into it, put a disk in there, and erase and reinstall the whole thing off of a disk. Have a cable attached to it, internet, and yeah, you can do all the updates and everything. 30 minutes flat, probably closer to 25. And that's with all the updates. So I'll just reinstall that one. Lower back's telling me nasties. Up and down the stairs a few dozen times. Not dozen times, but yeah. Enough times my lower back's telling me nasties. Anyway. This is Williams, Philippines. I'm out. Fish is gone.